Hello folks, welcome to Start Coding Tamil. This is Divya. I'm making Java tutorials. If you might interested in this, please consider subscribing. In today's video, I'm going to talk about overriding superclass methods. Before getting into this video, I would encourage you to check my previous video called Inheritance Concept. After checking those videos, you can clearly understand what is inheritance. Then coming back here, you can understand about the overriding the superclass methods. So let's get started. What is overriding superclass methods? In last video, we just talk about inheritance. Inheritance is like inheriting the data, attributes and methods from the parent class, okay, for the base class, for the child class. So here the child class will be inheriting the data, attributes and methods from the parent class. In some cases, the superclass data fields and methods are not entirely appropriate for the subclass objects, right? In those cases, you have to override the parent class members. For this, you have to add a override annotation just prior to the method. That's what we're going to see here. Here I'm having a class manager. It has a variable like annual income and getter and setter. Here, see, public get. If you see here, I can able to access the get ID, which is the getter declared in the employee class. And if you check the next one, get age, which is declared in the person's class. So I'm going to override this method, okay? See, here you can able to see the override annotation. This get ID is a method which was declared in a employee. Still you can able to override it. Here what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add an 100, okay? So it is like whatever you are giving the ID, it will be plus 100. You are overriding it. Just go to the main class method. You have an override get set ID as 124 and run this. You can see the difference. See here it is like 124. Now the ID is 224. Sarah born, age 25. The annual income is 50,000. The same way you can able to override other than maybe from the person's class. So I'm going to override the age. Here I'm going to give plus term. So it is like it means the overriding the methods means the child class as its own version of their method. Instead of having the parent class method, you are just overriding and you are telling what to do with this method. Okay, that's what it's doing. When I run this, see 224 Sarah born. Here I'm giving the age is 25. Now it becomes 35 and the annual income is 50,000. So this is called overriding superclass method. To override a method, you need a override annotation. Then only you can do the overriding. So this is all about this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please comment it below and see you in the next video. Thank you.